see at the farm, it's farm day, man. In it. Everybody, make sure that at least you get 1 or 2, right? So how do you look for these sweet potatoes? You come, for example, you see here. You see this kind of like omulandiranga guno, eh? Bono nyako bot. Now you see this? You come. I've got one. Yes. Victory. Show me. Yes. Oh. So, kat olaba omulandiranga guli nononya if there is ngokulayo bwa mutono ngomuleka, right? Come on. Right. This is how you look. Olaba omulandiranga guli. I got one. Show us to have it. You got one already? Ah! Okay. This is mine. All right.
This is mine.
This is mine.
This is mine.
All right.
This is mine.
This
is for Priscilla.
Yeah, man.
This is mine. This is mine. This is for Precious. This is mine. Attitude. This is potato. This is mine. This is the potato from Ile.
Okay.
This is mine.
Oh. I got a yellow one. Okay.
This is mine. Sweet potato.
This is my sweet potato. What have you seen that you have never seen before? Have you seen like, who has ever seen sweet potato? How it grows? So did you know how to harvest it?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Be honest, did you know how to harvest sweet potatoes?
Yes.
Who knew how to harvest? Okay. Now, who has learned how to harvest sweet potato? So you loved it? Yes. You enjoyed it? Yes. So are you going to cook on your own or you are going to put together? Together. You are going to cook together? Yes. All right. Everybody, show me your sweet potatoes. Yes. Sugarcane. Sugarcane. You loved it? Yes. Let's go.
Let's go. Potato. Sweet potato.
See.
You're bro. Sweet potato. Sugarcane.
Yeah, man.